Drone Video Operation Tutorial Product Accessory List. Charging Demonstration. Connect the charging cable to the charging port. When charging, the red light remains on constantly. When fully charged, the red light goes out. Preparations before flight. Insert the SD card into the remote control card slot. Remove the pan-tilt protective cover. Remove the obstacle cover. Install the Optical Avoidance module. Deploy the drone arm. Install the drone battery. Place the drone on a level ground. Long press the switch to turn on the drone. Automatic calibration of the unmanned aerial vehicle gimbal. Turn on the start switch of the remote control. Select English and press the confirmation button to enter the real-time screen. After entering the real-time screen, it will automatically synchronize frequencies. When the drone's lights flicker and the front arm's light remains on constantly, and the rear arm flashes slowly, it indicates successful frequency alignment. Press the geomagnetic calibration button briefly to calibrate the geomagnetic field. At this moment, the lights of the drone went out. Pick up the drone, turn the drone clockwise in the horizontal direction until the remote control emits a beep sound, which indicates successful calibration. At this moment, the front arm light remains on constantly, while the rear arm light is off. Rotate the drone clockwise in the vertical direction until the remote control emits a beeping sound, which indicates successful calibration. At this moment, the front arm light remains on constantly, while the rear arm light flashes slowly. Place the drone on a level ground. Press and hold the calibration button to calibrate the gyroscope. The rapid flashing of the drone's lights has changed to a constant light on the front arm and a slow flash on the rear arm. Place GPS signals for satellite search in open areas. Search for 12 stars above to take off. If the lights on the front and rear arms of the drone remain constantly on, it indicates a successful satellite search. Press the one-key takeoff button to unlock the motor. Push the joystick upwards to take off the drone. Rise, decline. Rotate left, rotate right. Move forward, back off. Fly to the left, fly to the right. The default settings for startups is low speed. After switching the scroll speed, if there are 2 beeps, it indicates the medium speed gear. After switching the scroll speed, if there are 3 beep-beep sounds, it indicates the high-speed gear. The rolling gimbal adjustment roller enables the up and down adjustment of the drone gimbal. In obstacle avoidance mode, control the drone to scan the obstacle avoidance object and stop while flying forward, backward, left, and right. Press the one-click return button. The unmanned aerial vehicle initiates intelligent return. Press the photo button to take a photo. Press the video recording button to start recording. Press the video recording button again to end the recording. Press the menu button to select the gallery and press the confirm button to enter the gallery. Press the switch button to select to switch and view the picture. Press the confirmation button to view the picture. Press the back button to return to the menu. Select record and press the confirm button to enter the recording. Press the switch button to select to switch and view the video. Press the confirmation button to view the video. Press the back button to return to the menu. Select the brightness adjustment and press the confirm button to enter. Pressing the switch button can adjust the screen brightness. Press the back button to return to the menu. Press the confirm button to choose whether to format or not. Press the back button to return to the real-time screen. APP download and connection. Scan the QR code on the instruction manual to download the app corresponding to the system. After downloading and installing the app, turn on your phone's Wi-Fi. Find the Wi-Fi name corresponding to the drone Wi-Fi GPS. After connecting and confirming the successful connection, open the mobile phone app to enter the Real Again Time screen. Switch the remote control screen to the app screen. Turn off the remote control screen. turn on the Wi-Fi on your mobile phone and find the Wi-Fi name corresponding to the drone Wi-Fi GPS. After connecting and confirming the successful connection, open the mobile phone app again to enter the real-time screen. Pull out the phone stand. After attaching your phone, you can start flying. Indoor flight. Press and hold the GPS button to switch to the indoor flight mode. The front arm light remains on constantly, while the rear arm flashes slowly for indoor mode. Press and hold the calibration button to calibrate the gyroscope. When the rapid flashing of the drone's lights changes to a constant light on the front arm and a slow flash on the rear arm, it indicates successful calibration. Press the one-key takeoff button to unlock the motor and push the joystick upwards to take off the drone. Indoor optical flow positioning. Replace the fan blades. Use a screwdriver to unscrew the screws of the old fan blade and remove it. Pay attention to distinguishing between A and B arms and of A and B fan blades. Install the corresponding fan blades on the corresponding boom and complete the replacement.